So once again we found another wall bunker in Brittany this time on our little coastal walk. Still look like it's in good condition and it's got a really good view too.
This is Lockie and I'm Ash. We're two Aussies who have been travelling and living in Europe in our van Tommy for the past year. Subscribe to our channel and join us on this crazy adventure.
So we're actually coming here completely by surprise. Not even meant to be coming here. And it is amazing. Blown away.
What have you got there?
Snickers macaroon.
Good?
I don't think I've got the good part yet.
Oh, okay. We'll wait. We have time. Is everything okay here, sir?
Perfect.
Super.
Actually, you forgot the, I ordered a white wine. It seems to be a mosaic.
It's white. Look at this beast. So in Saint Malo, we just found a little car park behind like a sports hall, and it's right next to like a sport field with there's a kids playground and people bring their dogs here. So we could have a barbecue, and it's about a 15-minute walk from like the main town, I think, roughly.
Good morning, beautiful day here in Saint Malo. Yesterday we just had a quick look around the city, and this morning we're going for an in-depth look. But first, we're going to get a coffee. And on one of the last episodes I said, where you find the hipsters, you find the good coffee. Well, yesterday we walked past some hipsters, so we're going to see if their coffee is any good. It's good coffee. Found the hipsters, found the good coffee.
So there's actually a town wall here at Saint Malo, so you can actually walk the whole way around the town, basically built up so you can look down over it, and it also gives you an awesome view of the beach here and the water, and it's just beautiful. It's got a bit of everything, and there's lots of things to do and see, and it's just really pretty. But I definitely recommend doing the city walk on the, I don't even know what you call it, the walkway up high around the city, because it really gives you a good overview of the whole place. Will probably only take you about half an hour, 40 minutes, depending on how fast you walk, so it's not far, and it's definitely worth it.
So we just look now to do the coastal walk around the beach where we're at into Dinard and have a look around, and then we're going to come back and head to the next stop for the night.
How amazing is this spot?
She's closer, she knows her way around it.
So once again we found another wall bunker in Brittany this time on our little coastal walk. Still look like it's in good condition and it's got a really good view too.
There's a bridge that joins the two areas. Not far at all. So the coastal walk that we're actually doing is from Plague du Port Blanc to Dinard. So definitely worth it, and you get to check out all the beautiful beaches along the way, and it's a really easy, nice walk along the ocean.
It's like I told you, doesn't hold up if you know how it ends. So much older, it was over before it began. And I don't want to ever see you, wanna see you go.
Lucky and I always like to look at the real estate agents where we are and when we're in a really nice area. And house prices here are actually pretty good, and for apartments. So if you're looking for somewhere in France to buy, maybe look up Dinard. So if you're planning a trip to France, we definitely recommend that you come to Saint Malo and Dinard. And tell me. Woo! So tonight we're making jerk chicken. So we bought like the chicken quarters. Lockie's been wanting to do it for a very long time since he got the barbecue, so we came up with a good recipe, got that, and Lockie did it all himself. He put all the ingredients in, marinated it last night. I've just made some veggies to go with it, and I'm gonna make some rice, but he's pretty excited. Aren't you, Lockie?
Very excited.